Greenland has lost via an unparalleled time of ice losing during the recent too many decades. The Elegance satellites show a 4-persons-fold growth in massive creature loss of Greenland's ice leaf of 2003 to 2013. The study reveals how various areas of Greenland might promote to ocean level growth in next. Scientists worried on sea levels include length concentrated on Greenland's southward east and polar west regions, wherever glaciers continuously strengthen big chunks of ice in the Atlantic Sea. But the greatest supported accelerate in ice losing of previous 2003 to medium 2013 occurred in southward west Greenland, that is substantially deprived of these big glaciers. Everything though was, it couldn't be explainable by glaciers, since down there aren't lot down there, told the research's conduct writer Michael Bevis, of the Ohio Country College. It had to be the shallow massive, the ice was smelting internal of the shoreline. The ice molten accelerations in the area tracked a weather event named as the Polar Atlantic Fluctuation, now. While in a special, adverse, stage, the now enhances summer heating and the sunny emission how reaches the land's shallow, time reduction snow, particularly in West Greenland. The researchers trust the smelting in southward West Greenland is a conjunction of environment changing and facility driven on by the now. These oscillations include bin event ever, so why just now are they challenging the large molten? It's since the ambience is, at its base, heating pad. The transitory heating managed by the Polar Atlantic Fluctuation was galloping on top of more than supported world heating, told Professor Bevis. The impact of the conclusion is how southward West Greenland, that had not been deliberate a severe risk, now looks as if it will be a main next donor to ocean level growth. We knew we had one big issue in growing rates of ice category by several big outlet opening glaciers, told Professor Bevis. Yet now we recognize a other severe issue, more, big amounts of ice massive are departure to keep as meltwater, as rivers how stream in the ocean. GPS system in location now display Greenland's ice about largest of its profit, but the web is rare in the southward west. Since the Elegance satellites stopped take information in 2016, it remnant not clear if the pausing in smelting, that began in 2013, has now stopped or is yet continuing. So I believe we will include to see in another place to know if the pausing has ended and if it struck the ice stream. The document in PNAS as well suggests the pausing is related to a changing in the stage of the now, of adverse to favorable. Elegance, the Seriousness Restoration and Environment Experimental, consisted of 2 land-orbiting satellites that took comprehensive measurements of seriousness field anomalies. A collaborative mission statement among NASA and the Deutsche Space Center, they were start up in March 2002. A replace couple were put up recent year, but include yet to be driven completely on the internet. Recent monthly, researchers informed how the Greenland molten was unparalleled in 350 year. The team's analyze specified how and growth in smelting began quickly following the commencement of industry-era Arctic heating in the medium 1800s, and how the 10 years 2004 to 2013 skilled more than supported an intensive smelting rather than any some 10-year time in the 350-year recording.